Got as much stuff as I could because I don't want to be without nothing.
We're on our second delivery of milk. We've got extra bread coming in. We're open all night long and hope to keep it stocked.
Sure. Sounds like it's going to be one for indoors. You're prepared?
Yep.
Oh, terrible, isn't it? Wrong door. I can't even think of this weather.
Oh, it's been nasty. If anybody don't have to go out, they want to stay right in. Because as soon as I can get there, I'm staying.
The National Guard will be activated for life-saving situations, and all major state highways are closed.
The governor has approved a state disaster emergency declaration.
We're getting it cleared off, little by little.